Hi Turkovic, in France. This is Market AV Repairs. Just to let you know, I've done your CD laser for your jukebox. You can see that there, and it's all working as it should be. See it all fully working there as it should be. Yeah, basically the problem was they have these lasers, these cheap lasers. I don't even think they're made by Philips, and they've been putting in these machines, so we do have a lot of these repairs, to be honest with you. But I've put I put a laser in there for you. I've given it a good test. I've had it on for several hours. Okay, I like to test these for at least 6 hours, just constant playing, just to make sure there's no problems with them. But your unit is pretty much really new. You know, it's not had a lot of use, so it's pretty good. So yeah, that's all done for you. I'll be getting that out to you priority post. You've got a 6-month warranty on that. Alright, so if you get any problems with that, we'll replace that part and the labour free of charge. Okay, that's just a laser, obviously. Nothing else should go wrong with it anyway, because it is a new part. You know, it's a new machine basically that you've got here. It's not seen a lot of wear. But anyway, you've got a 6-month warranty on it, parts and labour. If there is any problems, we'll be more than happy to sort it out for you. All we do ask is postage, of course. On receipt, if you could please leave feedback and let us know your feedback when you get your item, that would be great. Thank you very much and have a great day.